really looking forward to this performance, Sebastian. Especially my little Ariel.
Ah, yes. She has the most beautiful voice. If only she'd show up for rehearsals once in a while.
We are the daughters of Triton, great father who loves us and named us well, Aquata and Trina, Arista, Athena, Stella, is the youngest in her musical debut. Our seventh little sister, we're presenting her to you. To sing a song, Sebastian wrote her voice is like a bell. She's our sister.
Ariel!
Ariel, oh flounder, have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life? Whoa, cool. How do I look? Aw,
Ariel,
Daddy.
what's that you're hiding? No. You went up to the surface again, didn't you? Didn't you?
Daddy, I'm 16 years old. I'm not a child.
Don't you take that tone of voice with me, young lady. As long as you live under my ocean, you'll obey my rules.
John, if you would just
I
listen.
never to hear of you going to the surface again. Is that clear?
If only I could make him understand. I just don't see things the way he does. I don't see how a world that makes such wonderful things could be bad. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here, you'd think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. You want thingamabobs? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see 'em dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Lifting your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down what's that word again? Street, up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world.
Hey, little boy. Yeah, I know. I just had to escape all that marriage talk. I just haven't met the right girl yet. Oh, believe me, Max. She's out there somewhere. Just know. Okay, boy. Hey, wait up!
I don't know when, I don't know how, but I know something's starting right now. One, two, someday I'll be part of your
Oh, your collection. Have you lost your mind? Ariel, listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. Ah! Oh no! Ah! The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake.
I dream about going up there.
Oh, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things surround you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea, under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. They work all day,
Out in the sun.
they slave away, while we devote to full time to floating under the sea. And the new play the flute, and the cow play the harp, and the bass play the bass, and the sounding sharp. Oh, the bass play the brass, and the jump play the top, and so that blowfish. Ariel, tell me, what is better than all this?
Oh, Sebastian, you just don't understand.
Trust me, everything you need is right here under the sea. Oh! Oh no! Big finish! Under the sea! When there's a deep begin to begin, it's music to me. What do they got? A lot of sand. We got a hot crustacean band. These little clown here know how to jump here under the sea. Each little slug here cuts in a rug here under the sea. Each little snail here know how to whale here. That's why it's hotter under the water. You're being lucky here, down in the back here under the sea. Oh man!
How delicious. Daddy's little princess wants to be with the humans. It looks like Triton has a weakness after all. Blossom, Jetsam, bring her to me. Poor child, poor sweet child. Ursula can help you. Ursula can make all your dreams come true.
The sea witch?
Now, Angel Finch, you're here because you want to be with the humans. Find your prince, fall in love. Well, the solution to your problem is quite simple. Become a human yourself.
Can you do that?
Oh, my dear sweet child, that's what I do. It's what I live for. I'll make a potion that will turn you into a human for 3 days. Before the sun sets on the 3rd day, you've got to get dear old Princey to kiss you. Not just any kiss, the kiss of true love. If you do that, you'll remain human permanently. But if you don't, you'll turn back into a mermaid, and you'll belong to me.
If I become human, I'll never be with my father or sisters again.
That's right. But you'll have your dream. Life's full of tough choices, isn't it? Oh, there is one more thing, sweet cakes. No more talking, singing, zip.
But without my voice, how can
You
I...
have your nose, your pretty face. And don't underestimate the importance of body language. through the confines of the traveling sea. Where princess now scientists and Max laryngitis now portrait me. Now sing.
What's your name? What is it? You can't speak? That's okay. I'm Ariel.
Has he kissed her yet?
No, and there's only one day left. You want something done? You've got to do it yourself. First, we've got to create the mood. Percussion. String. Wind. Words. Yeah, you see her sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl.
Can you hear something?
Yes, you want her. Look at her, you know you do. Possible she wants you to. Here is one way to ask her. It don't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl. Sing with me now. Sha la 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 la, my oh my. Look like the boy too shy. Ain't gonna kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la, ain't that sad? Ain't it a shame too bad? Ain't gonna miss the girl.
You know, I feel really bad not knowing your name. Maybe I can guess. Is it Mildred? Okay, okay. How about Diana? Rachel?
Ariel. Her name is Ariel.
Ariel? Ariel? That's kind of pretty. Okay, Ariel.
Sha la 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 la, put her along and listen to the song. The song say, kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la, the music play. You and the music say, you got to kiss the girl. You got to kiss the girl.
Why don't
Go on and kiss the girl.
That was close. Too close. At this rate, he'll be kissing her by sunset for sure. Well, it's time Ursula took matters into her own tentacles. Triton's daughter will be mine.
Ariel!
Aaron, I have so much to tell you.
Not truly!
must love him, doesn't she, Sebastian?
It's like I always say, Your Majesty. Children got to be free to lead their own lives.
Well, then I guess there's just one problem left.
And what's that, Your Majesty?
How much I'm going to miss her. Ariel,
Daddy.
I'm sorry you had to lose your voice in order for me to hear you.
I love you, Daddy. Eric.
Gentle merfolk, on behalf of King Triton, we thank you for honoring us with your presence at today's musical performance. Now please take all young children by the hand and swim toward the exit.